The Jordan 1 high straps. Under $100, man. The Jordan 6 for under $100, man. That's what's up. Still got the Mocs here. This is in the wrong section, though. I got the New York Knicks flight posits. This is, oh, it's a Victor Cruz. Oh, man, this is buttery as hell. Holy crap. That's crazy. $55. And you get 20% off. What's going on, YouTube viewers? It's your boy Cool with Cool Cakes. Yeah, man, we had another, we're doing another trip to the Clarita Center, guys. Let's go see what's up. Damn, everybody else is done with their sales, but man, they still got 20% off entire purchase. Yeah, that's what's up. 20% off entire purchase. Hope we find something. We're in the size 10, so we saw these. The Jordan 1 high straps. Saw these a while back. A whole, week ago? I don't know when last time I was here. Yeah, go for 90 bucks. 90 bucks. Get that 20% off. They fooled me with that Jordan box. The black hats go for 85. And I'm kind of just walking around looking for heat, and I'll definitely dip into the aisles. But yeah, I got these Jordan 6s, you guys. Jordan 6. I don't remember the colorway for this one. Just what? Infrared? Infrared neutral gray. Going for $120, you guys. $120. You get that 20% off as well, so it's under 100 bucks. Under $100, man. From Jordan 6 for under 100 bucks, man. That's what's up. That is what's up. Clean as hell too. Mm-hmm. Pretty clean. Not bad. The materials ain't bad. Yeah, not bad. Under 100 bucks. Under 100 bucks. I would pick these up, but I already bought two colorways of the 6s, and I'm kind of waiting for the infrared. So yeah, we're gonna have to let those go, man. That's a hell of a price too. All right, let's give you guys a proper review. Size 10, 10 and a half. Yeah, these are dope. Go for retailer, man. We don't mess with retail. Let's throw those back. I've not seen this colorway of the Element React. So 75 bucks. Not bad. Like different color on both sides. Pretty cool design, and the React is all black too. That's pretty dope. So 75, you get 20% off. What's that going for? 60 bucks? Not bad, 60 bucks. Got some Nike IDs. Show you guys some Nike IDs by Ahmed. Going for, these are 60 bucks. Their Nike IDs are hella cheap at the clearance center. These are going for 60 bucks. The Air Max 200s go for 60 bucks. And you get 20% off, man. Not a terrible colorway. Not bad. Ahmed wasn't too shabby. Still got the Mocs here. This is in the wrong section though. The size 9. Someone might have kept it right here so they could come pick it up later. Still go for 85. Not bad. Vapor Max. Oh, it's a new color of the Vapor. Oh, not a new one, but one I haven't seen here at the outlets. Go for 110. Get that 20% off. So it's like what? $88 something? Not bad. This is like the black and Volt colorway of the Up-Tempo 95s. Going for 80 bucks. Get that 20% off. Oh, we got a couple of these. This is the first time I've seen these here at this outlet. We've seen them at other outlets. But yeah, I got the New York Knicks flight posits. Yeah, I have slippery hands. These aren't bad. These look narrow as hell, though. I don't know. I've never worn this, but they look kind of narrow. Go for 95. 95, you get that 20% off as well. You know, the Black History Month still here. Still the same price, man. I can't believe they're always the same price. $129. Get that 20% off. Vapor Mask going for 110. Oh, my man did tell me they're getting new shipments of a lot of stuff. That's why everything's 20% off, because their stock is pretty high. And yeah, they're seeing a lot of new stuff, a lot of new colorways and stuff. 75 bucks for these Element Reacts. These are brand new to this outlet, that is. Get that 20% off too. Dang, second pair of Jordan 6. Second pair, you guys. Damn, dude. Not bad. 120, you get 120, and then you get 20% off on top of that. Damn. Got the Chinese New Year colorway. No, I'm just joking. This is just the regular React, but it's the Nike ID version. Not bad. Going for All of them go for 60 bucks, man. Super hella cheap. 60 bucks and you get 30% off, man. Hella cheap. By 30% off, I meant 20. But yeah, 20% off. Dang, still in the size 10 and a half, you guys. Look at this. Jordan 31, you guys. 31 low. Yeah, we find all kinds of crazy stuff here today. Jordan 31 low. Dang. I know not everybody's into the performance stuff. But yeah, it's pretty dope. Pretty dope. Guess we got the flight speed. I have no clue what that is, but yeah, man. Not bad, not bad. Like a camo on the back. Front, like some synthetic mesh material. Yeah. Dude, going for under 100 bucks, dude. Go for under 100 bucks. You know these go for way more. Get that 20% off too. Damn. Seen a few of these now. The OBJ fly knits. OBJ fly knits going for 120. Pretty cool colorway too. Pretty dope colorway, not bad. Go for $120, you get that 20% off. Size 11 now. I have no clue what these are, but kind of an old school vibe. Look kind of cool. I don't know, they're only going for 40 bucks, man. Their Nike IDs are always cheap as hell. Is that just? Oh, yeah. All their Nike IDs are always cheap here. 40, 60, or 80, I believe. And then you get the additional 20% or whatever. Not too shabby. Air Max 95 next door, going for 100 bucks. Get that 20% off. Still got the Kyrie 4s, TBs. Some ISPAs, yeah, the React ISPAs. These are like a interesting version. They always look a little different. Laces on the side and stuff. Yeah, man. Going for, I'm not a huge fan of these, but yeah. Those of you guys that are, 95. No, these retail for a hell of a lot higher. 95, get that 20% off. We're in the size 11 and a half, but look, more moccasins. More moccasins go for 85. This is a size 11 and a half, even though we're in size 11. No big deal. Great price. Damn, I thought this was like the cactus flea market. I was like, what the hell? Oh, hell no. About to go bonkers. 190. 190, not bad. Going for retail. Get that 20 off. Dang, they got a whole lot of the Element Reacts. Look at this. Look at the bread colorway, I guess. Are we allowed to call it the bread colorway? I don't know. But yeah, go for 75. Witness 3s, 45 bucks, dude. 45 bucks, man. And you get 30% off, or 20% off. That's crazy. In the size 12 now. What is this? It's like some suede Air Force Ones, man. Oh, this is super buttery. What the hell is this? Oh, it's a Victor Cruz. Oh man, this is buttery as hell. Holy crap. So smooth. Yeah. If I had this on my size, I would totally have to cop, dude. It's just the material, man. That's just like the smoothest suede you can get, man. Just buttery, super soft. You can see the color changing. Look at that. Look at that. You know, some good stuff, you guys. This is good stuff. What's this going for? 85. Normally 175 is going for 85, and you get 20% off. That's crazy. That's crazy. Always got plenty of Vapor Max, still size 12. More Vapor Max, I'll go for 110. Get that 20 off, not bad. Size 13, dude, got heat. Look at this. Dude, got more of those Victor Cruz, still go for 85 bucks, man. Hella smooth, dude. Size 13, got the Soldiers. Oh, these are the Soldier 12s, but 40 bucks for some Soldiers, you guys. Holy crap, dude, 40 bucks. And you get 20% off. That's nuts. They're trying to get rid of those, obviously. Clods going for 120. Kyrie 5's going for a steal in the size 13. That, wow. It's 80 bucks and you get 20% off. Wow, that's what, $16 off. So it's at $64. Wow. Got those OBJs. OBJ, the Joyrides. These are still going for 115. Get that 20 off. Size 13, they got those hella ugly Monarchs. The Martine Rose, if you guys want those. Extra ugly. Look at that big old tumor right there, that's crazy. Got the black hats. 85 for the black hats. These Jordan boxes be tricking me, man. I think they're like Jordan 3s or something. Bastards. When the size 9.5, man, they can't get rid of these. Can't get rid of these at all, man. Go for 130, Black History Month 2s. Yeah, these definitely do not look like Nikes, man. These are some sort of Janowskis. Yeah, they definitely don't look like Nikes at all, dude. It's hitting for like 50 something. What is it? 55. Get that 20 off. Yeah, so like the colorway's kind of cool, but the design's so terrible. The 270 Edge, go for what, 80 bucks, man. That's still a little steep. Fabermax Flyknit's a $110. Pretty clean. And we got some NASA 5s. Oh, the PG3 NASA's out there, the blue ones. Not bad, not bad. Or like the size 8, 8.5, go for 80 bucks. Not too shabby, not too shabby. Get that 20% off for the up tempo. Dang, I've seen so many fair guards here. I think we did see the gray colorway, dude, come through, but not this many. That's crazy. 85, size 8. Go for 105, the Pegasus Turbos. 80, size 8, go for 105. Get that 20 off. Way under 100, dang. Right next to each other, we got the Mocs, size 8. Got the moccasins, and we got the Air Force Ones. Not bad. Not bad. When the size 75, I was like, I'm sorry, when the size 7.5, I was like, what the heck is this? Jordan Flight Club. 6, I was like, what is that, a 7 or something? I'm gonna go for 70 bucks. Get that 20 off, I guess. Got PG3s. Look at, oh my goodness, look at that. 7.5 going for $55, dude. 55 bucks. That's crazy. $55. And you get 20% off. That's another $10 off? Something like that? Yeah, a little more than $10 off. So $45, dude. $45, $44. That is insane. That's insane, dude. That might be the deal of the day. 40 some bucks for some PG3s, man. That's crazy. That's crazy. Here, I'll show you guys these. It's the deal of the day, so I gotta show you guys, huh? That's crazy. Like 44 bucks for these, man. Size 7.5. That's insane. Probably resell these at that price. What the hell? Damn, that's crazy. I don't really see anybody biting on this colorway. Not really many listed, and not many really sold on GOAT. So we gotta let that go. That's crazy though. 45 bucks, man. Dang, size 7. They come Flyknits. Kind of super red, but yeah, 40 bucks, man. 40 bucks. Get 20% off, that's what, $32? That's crazy. Man, I don't want to sound like an idiot, but is this an Air Max 1 or Air Max 90? I always get those mixed up. I think these are Air Max 90 for some reason. But yeah, man, look, size small, it's a 6.5. 60 bucks, man, 60 bucks, and you get 20 off. Man, so it's under $50, like 48 bucks. One of Nike's most expensive sneakers, look at this. Look at this, man. The Vaporfly Next Percent. These obviously they've been worn. But this material, man, this Zoom X, you try it one time, man. This thing totally creases after one time, dude. So these probably weren't worn that much. But yeah, size 5, was it 5.5? 5.5, 159, and you get 20% off. These normally go for $225 or $250. Nike's premier running shoe, man. That's crazy. That's crazy. And they're getting rid of some of these small sizes. Look, the tailwinds, man. Go for 30 bucks, man. $32 after this discount. That's crazy. Well, that's because yeah, man. They've been here for a minute. They've been here for a minute in the smaller sizes. So they're just trying to get rid of all of them. Damn, I'm just walking around. Look at this huge Nike ID. Look at this Nike ID right here. What size is this? Oh, that's big as hell, man. The Zoom Freak ones, though. Zoom Freak ones. That's crazy. That's crazy. 60 bucks for this size. I don't even know what size it is. Size 15 or something? Something. So I kind of do need a backpack. I checked this one out. Kind of looks cool. Kind of looks dope, but kind of small. And like the straps, I kind of like the fatter straps. These aren't that durable. So yeah, 40 bucks though, man. You know these go for like 80 bucks normally or something. But yeah, then there was this one, this Jordan one. Like it's like wider, but I don't know. Look, it just feels really cheap. But yeah, let's see what these go for. 25 bucks, normally 50. And you get 20% off everything. So pretty decent, but not what I'm looking for. Not what I'm looking for. I'm looking in the shorts. Look at this, 55 bucks down to 25, and you get 20% off, so it goes down to 20 bucks for these fleece shorts. That's what I'm talking about. $20 versus 55. That's what's up, man. That's what's up. I was like, this is a cool material. Shorts, and it's 30 bucks, normally 75. But yeah, it says above the knee, man. I don't do shorts above the knee. But like, yeah, I like that. I like the material. It's like the wetsuit material. I have a sweatshirt made with that material, and yeah, I like that Nike sign and the fact that the zippers, like, but above the knee, man, I don't do above the knee. Come on now, man. Come on now. Yes, I am looking through the shorts in the winter, because that's what we do in California. But yeah, oh dude, this is dope. Oh, this is like quadruple XL though, man. Look, it's dope. Jordan looks totally super premium. I don't know about this material right here, but yeah, let's see what these are going for. Oh yeah, it's like quadruple XL, man. Quadruple 3XL. And no price tag. No price tag. I was trying to figure out how much, but no price tag. All right, sorry I can't help you guys. See, this is the type of stuff I'm looking for. Like, this is like super duper, it's like a fleece material or a jersey material. I don't know, sweatshirt material, but it's like super heavy, like super duper heavy. And look, 30 bucks. Normally $80. Normally 80 bucks go for 30. Then you get 20% off on top of that. This is the type of stuff I'm looking for. This is a double XL though. See, it even has those metal things at the end. That's crazy. Yeah, I need to find some large for that. Looks like this is the only large one like that, man. Dang, 40 bucks too. Kind of pricey. Only 50. That's kind of pricey, dude. So yeah, we're gonna let that go. And look, we got some off-white looking stuff. But yeah, sweatshirt going for 30 bucks. 30 bucks. This looks hella soft. 45 bucks, man. Got plenty of sizes too. Get that 20 off. They got some more off-white LeBrons. And yeah, look what it even sells on the back. That's hilarious, dude. That's hilarious. Yeah, not off-white at all though. Not off-white at all. Oh, this is a different one. Different one to be off-white. That's hilarious. This one's going for 35. And this one to be off-white's going for 30. That's hilarious, you guys. That's crazy. Double XL. Curry jersey. I was gonna say Del Curry again. Steph Curry jersey going for 40 bucks. Not too shabby. All the other players are like, well, come on, who wants a ball jersey? They got Ingram jerseys. That's terrible. Looks like they got a Pelican All-Star jersey for AD. Kawhi jersey. Kawhi All-Star jersey from Toronto. Kevin Love jersey in Cleveland or the Lane. Still trying to get 40. That's crazy. Finally hit something dope, but these are triple XL. And those are priced to go 50 bucks, man. That's really priced to go. That's what's up right there. All right, I think that's pretty much about it. We're gonna wrap it up, you guys. Gonna wrap it up. All right, we're gonna do a wrap up inside because it's dark as heck outside and my camera is not gonna show nothing. Yeah, those of you guys that are new to my channel, make sure you guys go ahead and press that subscribe button. Make sure you guys also hit that notification button as well. The rest of you guys, make sure you guys like this video. Thank you so much for watching. You guys all know I do come out with a new video every day, trying to look for deals and stuff like that. So yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. See you guys in the next one. Peace.